we pay a lot of attention to gear and creativity. But to be a professional photographer, you have to think about other things than what camera and lenses are the best, what software you should use. Here, what I do as a professional photographer to pay my bills: writing a creative treatment, researching state and federal employment law, citing legal statutes, negotiating copyright, finding a lawyer to form a legal corporate tax entity, endless discussion of the exact same definition of the word purple, finding a transport to go to middle of nowhere at 6 a.m. in the morning, sourcing models, hiring crews, and onboarding them, maintaining an accurate and efficient payroll system, applying for city shooting permits. That's the fun one. You have no idea. Issuing insurance certs, paying insurance bills, multiple hours of creative calls on Zoom, shooting, editing, and trying not to forget to feed the dog, and doing groceries for home. There is no one else to do that. I have done all within the last 72 hours. You would be right. Do you still think you are a professional photographer? Of course, this is not to say that the shooting and the creativity part is not important. But as your business progresses, you will find that you will need to grow your business to survive just as much as, if not more than, your skills with the camera. And just like your artistic development, your business education will be a never-ending process. Just when you think you got all figured out, the game throw you a new challenge and you will suddenly be forced to learn how to do something new. Okay, don't be sad. One of the best part of working the job you love is that when it comes to hard work, you wouldn't want it any other way. Good luck.